All right, this is part 2. I left the waterfalls. Look where we at. And it's raining. So, man, I miss doing these videos and inviting you guys on my journeys, exploring nature, well, learning from nature and healing. I don't know why we call it exploring. It's so quiet out here today. Guess everybody is getting ready to celebrate tomorrow. We have no independence. We have no freedom yet. We're excited to celebrate. Makes sense, huh? When are we gonna get it, people? This rain feels so good. You guys, man, I wish you guys just can be out here on one of these hikes with me and just get that feel and that love for nature. Like, let's get ready to head down the mountains. I'm telling you, this guy, this is therapeutic. This is that real therapy. I enjoyed and bathed in the sunshine under the waterfall. And now I'm getting some rain showers. I gotta show y'all one more view before I head back down. Little tree. Can't be in nature without giving some love to the trees. You can't do that. It's disrespectful on so many levels. The boulder spirit. You can't. You gotta live this life. The ancestors had respect for all of this. Trying to show you guys another view. There's so many up here. It's been a minute. I'm warming back up, getting back into hiking. My goal is before fall come in, I want to do Capitol Peak. You know, they saying it's one of the most dangerous hikes in Colorado. 14er. I heard a lot of stories about maroon bells too. But me personally, I love a challenge. Because I know once I get to the top, it's going to all be worth it. Man, that's a trail right there. Great tree spirit. Look at the ants. Oh, they big and healthy too. They are working. Look, they are really working. They're cleaning out the tree log. Look. Man, that is amazing. To see ants in their natural habitat working like this. Working together and cleaning. We can learn a lot from this as people. Wow, I'm gonna disturb them. That is amazing, man. I've never seen them just really work like that. I see them get food, but to see them really basically cleaning out the log. It's amazing. Excuse me. Wow, man, I'm fascinated by that. I've never seen ants just doing their thing. That was pretty awesome. Hello, bird spirit. Look. Hello. I can live here. Let's head down before this rain really kick in. For all of you in Colorado, I think a lot of you are familiar with this trail. 666. That's what I'm on. It's one of my favorite. No, more laid back hike. And today was the first time I actually got to climb down to the waterfall and just be a kid again. I think last time it was late, so I didn't want to climb down when it was dark, and then the next time it was snow. Excuse me, trees. So, you know, this is a good little laid back hike. It's nothing too stressful. Poor tree got burned. Look. Sometimes it may be nature, but hey guys, when you camping or whatever you doing out here in nature, please just be careful. You know, it's so easy for these fires to get out of hand. You know, sometimes we think we can control it, but you got to think, fire is nature too. So just be a little bit more cautious when you're out camping and, you know, you starting your fires or whatever. About to head back down this mountain. crazy. It was so nice earlier, guys. And the sun was beaming. It was beautiful. Felt so therapeutic. Now all of a sudden, here come the rain. And I hope it's natural rain. And they ain't trying to block me from being in the sun. They don't want me to charge up. All right, guys, this your boy, Big Chief, Sacred Mountain Wolf, aka Spirit Walker. I'm the wolf in the mountains, and all mountains are sacred. Till next time, peace.